Now, I want to share a few things I know for sure about the next 2 to 4 years in our industry. First, there's going to be a bloodbath. Tens of thousands of agents, including top producers, will be forced out of the business. Second, the entire market and individual regional markets in all price levels will face disruptions. There will be confused buyers and sellers requiring different techniques and experience to handle their situations. The effects of increasing interest rates, rising inflation, and recession will make the 70s recession look like a picnic. Third, in this destructive reduction of real estate agents, there will be unlimited opportunity. See, in business, whenever you have adversities, there are hidden opportunities and niches to exploit. This opportunity is coming straight at you right now. It takes great skills to identify these opportunities and capitalize on them. Fourth, there is only a very small amount of people prepared to adapt and put a plan in place to overcome and succeed as we move through these critical periods. The time is now. The need to be prepared and to know what is going on is urgent. If you think you can just grind through this, you are sorely mistaken. Lastly, many of the real estate agents searching for help will be taken advantage of by dishonest people, the inexperienced fakes, and the opportunists surrounding them. Make no mistake, you will be lied to. You will be lied to about what must be done to get through this financial tsunami.